YouTube has been a platform for sharing knowledge, entertainment and creativity for over a decade now. As the years have passed, the competition on the platform has become fiercer. To stand out, you need to be creative, entertaining, informative and above all, consistent. The problem, however, is that creating content can be time-consuming and challenging, especially for people who are not naturally gifted at making videos. But what if we told you that there's a way to revolutionize your YouTube experience and make videos in minutes? With the introduction of ChatGPT, you can now create high-quality videos in minutes, without the need for any prior video-making skills. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text, including video scripts. With its advanced AI capabilities, you can now easily create engaging and entertaining video scripts that are sure to keep your audience hooked. To use ChatGPT to make YouTube videos, all you need to do is provide the topic and the questions you want answered in the video, and ChatGPT-3 will take care of the rest. You'll get a detailed script, complete with a well-structured narrative, engaging examples, and a motivational section that will inspire your viewers to implement the solution. Let's take a closer look at one of the problems faced by YouTubers today. One of the biggest pain points is the struggle to come up with unique and engaging content. You may have great ideas, but the process of turning them into high-quality videos can be a daunting task. With ChatGPT, you'll never run out of ideas. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT for suggestions and it will come up with several unique and engaging topics for you. From there, you can choose the one that resonates with you the most and let ChatGPT-3 create a script for you. Here's an example of how you can use ChatGPT to create a video script. Say you're interested in making a video about 5 tips for living a healthier life. All you need to do is provide ChatGPT with the following prompt. Please write a script for a YouTube video that covers 5 tips for living a healthier life. ChatGPT will then generate a script that covers all 5 tips in detail, including examples and motivational statements that will encourage viewers to implement the tips into their lives. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we make YouTube videos. It not only saves you time and effort but also ensures that your videos are engaging and informative. With ChatGPT, you can create high-quality videos in minutes and take your YouTube channel to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT today and let the revolution begin. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or want to suggest a topic for a future video, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.